Hey, what's going on everybody? My name's Sam. Today we'll be reviewing the STIHL BG50 gas leaf blower. Let's just get right to it. Let's blow some leaves, let's have some fun. Alright, as you can see, these are soaking wet leaves. It's been raining for about 2 days now. It's about 30 degrees, so let's see if it'll move it around and see what it can do. As you can see, it does pretty easy work of the wet leaves, things of that nature. Me personally, I love this blower. I think it's outstanding for what I use it for. Some specs on it, 27.2 cc's, so fairly reasonable size, about 400-ish CFM, so very competitive, but I think it blows way above its size for what it is. It's very light. You can use this for long periods of time without really getting all that fatigued. It's very easy to maintain. It's got a toolless air filter right here. You just pop it open, put in a new filter. And I think like the maintenance kits are only like 25 bucks, at least here in 2025. So like I said, this thing is great. And additionally, what I wanted to share as well that's not really in a lot of the reviews is if you purchase this, which in 2025 it's about $179, so after tax and everything you're looking at, let's just say, right around 200 bucks. And if you buy like $20 worth of two-stroke oil, or they make pre-mixed gas still stuff, you can double your warranty to like 4 years. I believe my warranty is 4 years with this thing. And for residential stuff, I mean, come on, that's like, this thing will last forever pretty much. So I'll have to continue to put it through its paces, but so far I like this thing a lot. I think it's an outstanding blower for the amount of money you pay. Another thing that people don't mention is that you have great resale value on this thing. So if you ever want to sell it and get something bigger, if you get bigger property or whatever, normally with a STIHL you're going to be able to get your money back out of it. And I love that because with leaf blowers it's all about power, right? Really power and weight. I believe that when you do decide to upgrade, or if you decide to upgrade, this will be a very good entry-level blower for you. It's going to do a lot of good things for you, and you'll be able to, like I said, those leaves are soaking wet. It's been raining for 2 days, so it's able to move them around pretty quickly. So overall, I like this blower. I think it's worth the money. I thank you for watching. I appreciate you so much. And if you want to check out any of my other videos or want to subscribe or anything like that, feel free to do so. I've got videos on ATVs, trucks, other reviews on other things like that. So take care, have a great day, and check out my other videos.